So what's up YouTube, welcome to another video from my channel. I'm Ankit Banerjee and you're watching It's Your Bike Ankit. Now I'm at Speed Kawasaki Kolkata and I'm here to give you a complete walk around upon this. So that's the Ninja 650. So without further ado, let's hit the video. So as you can see, this is the Kawasaki Ninja 650. This is the sports tourer from Kawasaki, and this is the 650 version of the legendary Ninja series. Now this is actually a lookalike of the lesser Ninja 400 as well as the elder sibling, that's the Ninja ZX6R. So the latest generation Ninjas looks very sharp, and that's no different from this motorcycle. So as you can see, the fairing is very bold, very big, and it's actually very sharp, but at the same time it has quite a bit of muscle. Then you have this small vents here for airflow, and you have this winglet type of things. This is the all LED headlamp that I will show you later, and this is the pointed nose, which actually looks really nice. And you have this all KRT color scheme. Now coming to the front tire, so front tire is at 120 mm with dual disc setup. Now these are 300 mm front disc with Nissin calipers, and you have the 41 mm telescopic forks at the front. Now this motorcycle has dual channel ABS. Now coming to the fairing, you can see here you have the outlet vents, which are very beautifully carved. Now this is the engine of this motorcycle. So it produces about 67.3 bhp of power and for 64 newton meters of torque from this 649cc parallel twin liquid cooled 4 valve engine. Now you have the underbelly exhaust here with aluminium swing arm. You have the 220 mm rear disc with 160 mm rear tire. The rear design is almost same to the Z650. Now coming to the seat, so it has the 790 mm seat, and the seat is in a middle ground, and the pillion seat is also the same. You have the grab handles, you can always remove it. You have the extra sari guard here with open chain system, and you have the rear spools to put this motorcycle on the paddocks. So yeah, that's the thing. Now this is a very wide and very large tank with this tank creases, which actually helps you to grab the tank by your inner thighs, and you have this complete dash in front of you with this clip-on handlebars. Now these are not conventional clip-ons, these are raised clip-on handlebar, which makes the riding ergonomics very easier than any other sports motorcycle. So that's what makes it the sports tourer from Ninja. You have this windscreen, which is kind of extended, and it actually, I think it would serve a very good purpose. And then you have the rear view mirrors here mounted on the fairing, and it's really wide. You can see how much wide it is from the body, and that's the thing. Now let me switch on this motorcycle. So this is what it looks from behind. You have this X tail lamp, and you have the hazard lights turned on. Then from the front it looks like this with DRLs and this integrated bulb indicators. Now coming to the speedo console, so you have this Kawasaki glowing in front of you. Then as you can see here, you have the gear position indicator, tachometer, the speedometer, the fuel meter, the odometer, the heat temperature or the engine heat, and then you have the time here. Now here you can alter the trip 1, trip 2 and back to odo, and here you can alter the kilometer per liter, the average fuel economy, the range of this motorcycle, the average speed, the total time, and you have all the telltale lights around it. And coming to the switch gear are of top quality. They're really well finished. You have the engine kill switch. Underneath you have the ignition switch. You have the front adjustable brake lever. Then you have the adjustable clutch lever with a hazard lamp switch. This is upper dipper. Then you have the pass switch, and this is the indicator, and this is the horn. Now let's crank up this motorcycle and make you hear how it sounds. So that was the exhaust sound of the Ninja 650. So that was all about the Ninja 650 that you saw here. So coming to the ex-showroom price of this motorcycle, so it's at 6,54,000 rupees ex-showroom, and that's a very good deal if you ask me, because the looks of this motorcycle is something really attractive, and it will turn a lot of head, and the performance from that 650cc parallel twin is well known to all the motorcyclists out there, more or less. So that's the thing. So this is Ankit Banerjee signing off. Hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel.